Every now and then I get comments and questions asking what I like to eat since I do macros videos for other people. Now that's a very fair question, and in this video I'll show you. The truth of the matter is, depending on how busy I am, what I make for the week isn't always that exciting, so it's not really worth making a video about some of it. As in, I keep English muffins at work and sometimes I'll just grab a can of tuna out of my pantry and that'll be my lunch, with a little mayo, of course. This week was a little different. It was my parents' anniversary and my siblings and I put together a little dinner party for them. My contribution was this platter of salad. The base was mixed greens with arugula and spring mix, and on top I've got corn, onion, tomatoes, and steamed asparagus, all with a balsamic vinaigrette. I have a ton of the greens and tomatoes left over, so those will be my salads for the week. I'll just add some more onion and maybe some chopped boiled egg. And in case you're wondering, dinner was seafood, so steamed lobster and Dungeness crab with a variety of sauces. There was also an incredible beef tenderloin with a mushroom cream sauce, but I didn't get a picture of that. When it comes to celebration meals, my family does not mess around. My contribution for dessert was a store-bought fruit tart, one of my mom's favorites. There was also a strawberry chiffon cake, which is what I actually had, and the leftovers of everything went home with other people. Okay, so back to what I'm making this week. We've got the leftovers of the salad, right? So I've got my veggies covered. And for my lunches, I've got these spare ribs. I got a whole rack, they're St. Louis ribs, and I roasted them in the oven for about 40 minutes. That renders off most of the fat. Half of them, seen here, are being simmered for soup, and the other half I'll just eat with rice and hot sauce. The soup will have a clear broth made from just simmering the meat and bones, and I'll add some zucchini, cilantro, a little bit of lime. It's a very nice, hearty meal. I'll finish off my meal prep with one of my everyday frittatas. I've got some turkey sausage, onions, and tomatoes that can go in that. And that's it. That's pretty much what I'll be making this week. About Wednesday or Thursday, I'll probably need to cook again, and I've got some chicken in the freezer just for that. While it may seem strange to cook up a whole rack of ribs, I tend to buy meat on sale. So something like the ribs can be cooked in lots of different ways. Actually, now that I think about it, I've got some cans of Thai curry sauce, and that would be good with the meat and a little bit of extra veg. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Are you meal prepping this week? I'd love to hear from you.